Okay, so hey guys, so today we're gonna make paper squishies. So what you wanna do is you wanna get your sellotape, scissors, and paper. It could be lined paper, plain paper, I don't know. But the best thing is, as the paper is, I think it should be plain paper, but you can do whatever type of paper, I don't really mind. If you did colour paper, you would probably have to do everything in black, unless the colours actually showed. So once you've got your square piece of paper, what you want to do is you want to fold it like you're making a mini card. So then what you want to do, you want to get your sellotape. Oh no, so by the way, you need fluff from a pillow or something. I don't mind. What you want to do is the exact same really as a paper bag, but just without the paper crisps and stuff. So once you've done the end, but just with fluffing. So basically once you've done the end, you want to do the side. Once you've done the side, you want to colour it in colour whatever you want to do. So if you're doing it upways, you do a drink. But if you want to do it downways, like sideways, not as you're going to do a card. Say if you did it this way, you would do a drink, but if you did it this way, you would fold it exactly the same, but this would just be a food. So I'm making a drink here, and obviously you have the middle. So I have some fluff from my pillow. It's a very old pillow anyway, so I don't really. So you want to put the fluff in that hole. If there's any holes, you can still just, if there's any holes, you can just redo that. Look, I've already got a hole. I'm gonna have to redo that because there's a hole. Okay. Anyways, right. Okay. Why is this one? Okay. If there's any holes, just tape it up. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, there we go. Once your hole is full with the fluff or anything, you don't have to get it from a pillow, you can get it from somewhere else. From a teddy, an old teddy. These are really easy things to do when you're bored. All you need is tiny stuff. You hardly need any stuff. So yeah. No. Okay. Then it should be squishy, so then you want to tape up the top. So once you put all of the fluff in, you want to tape up the top. It hardly takes any minutes. It probably takes 1 minute to do. So there, you've got your paper squishy. Then you can leave it like this. You can design it. It can be a drink, food, or anything. I'm just gonna do a random design. I'm just gonna colour it in purple. I've hardly got any space to like do it because my tape is in the way, so I can barely do anything. I think we did very good for a beginner. Once you start doing it gooder, it gets better. And also, I know how to make paper nails and stuff. So, yeah. Bye.